Now for the driver capable need, the Kia Soul is an excellent option. This one actually has a power liftgate feature, which Eric will demonstrate. So in the situation where you want to drive yourself, this vehicle can be equipped that way. Power rear entry. Eric is able to actually get inside. Then once you're inside, we actually have a power transfer seat and hand control setting. Get yourself where you need to go. You can open and close the ramp yourself and not need any caretaker to get you around.